Chapter 5. Infested Laundry Procedure. You can imagine that an industrial laundry facility is an excellent way for bedbugs to travel throughout your building. Bedbugs are very tough. They can survive many laundry processes or travel around your building in laundry carts. Proper laundering is critical to eliminating bedbugs and preventing their spread. Prior to removing any laundry from an infested room, tie it in a garbage bag, then place it in a second garbage bag and tie. This double-bagged approach will prevent the bedbugs from getting out. After you've put the laundry in the wash, dispose of the bags right away in an outside garbage container. Immediately do a personal inspection to ensure no bedbugs have landed on you. Special bags are available that you put right into the wash and they dissolve, reducing the risk of contamination. It is necessary that all garments be laundered in hot water, greater than 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Or place laundry into a dryer on the hottest setting, greater than 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, for a minimum of 30 minutes. The dryer must be capable of reaching a temperature of greater than 40 degrees Celsius to kill all stages and not be loaded to more than 50% capacity. Laundered items must remain out of the treatment area during service. Clothing and fabrics associated with beds and sofas cannot be treated with pesticides due to the prolonged contact with skin. For this reason, this step is crucial and necessary to ensure the treatment program does not fail with the reintroduction of bedbugs from infested clothing. Infested Laundry Procedure. Chapter Review. Double bag all laundry. Complete a personal inspection. Wash and dry laundry at the hottest settings.